This is one chapter of the 12 separated and posted. It was taken from my main 1.5-hour tutorial documentary video to make it easier for crafters to use. If you don't mind watching the whole thing, then click on the link in the description and the pinned comment.
Chapter 4. Cleaning and Strengthening. Recovering the bamboo to its proper original state.
Capítulo 4. Limpieza y refuerzo. Recuperar el bambú a su forma original.
For bamboo to reach its maximum possible performance, it takes some processing. You can refine and strengthen your pieces. It's better if you do these next steps on your whole bundle. It will give you a better view of what you have before cutting specific sizes for the recipe. There are always leftovers around your nodes. They need to be scraped off. Moisture builds under these shapes and mold might form. This will rot your bamboo and make it brittle. Also, leaving a sharp bulge is dangerous because if it gets caught on something sharp, it may guide it into the fibers and split your bamboo in half. It's like that plastic sheet that can't be torn apart by hand. But as soon as you make the tiniest slice on it, it becomes a child's play. So it's best if you shave off every leftover that doesn't belong to the main shaft. Use this angle and with not much force, rapidly move your knife or razor back and forth. Rotate slowly the stick to get everything out from all sides. You will also encounter strong bulges that can't be shaven off but needs to be carefully scraped. My fingers will limit the reach but also amplify my blade's force. My index finger holds the stick from below and keeps it stable. My thumb pushes the blade with force. Because my fingers can't extend much, my movement is limited, so the knife is not able to carve more than what I desire. This is what happens if you don't use the finger technique. Make it nice and smooth. Test its smoothness on your hand. Make sure that no sharp points are left. For the most difficult spots, make a crescent movement to push out a bigger chunk of bamboo extension. Avoid using any sticks with a rough texture. You want them to be smooth and shiny. But if you're confident that they are strong enough, then scrape off all those black spots as if you're scraping off some glued paper. Use the correct angle and shave the pieces from all sides. Do this for all your pieces and you're ready for the next step. Now you have a smooth shaft but probably many spots with exposed fibers. These are gates for moisture to enter and rot your bamboo. These are also weak spots, exactly like that slice on the plastic sheet. Grab your super glue and coat every weakness you find on your sticks. Rotate them slowly as you check the entire length. This will seal all holes and hold the fibers together. This restores your bamboo to its original perfect state. I missed on purpose a very important detail, just to show you how easy it is to miss it. This small puncture. It is done to drain the bamboo from the water it gathers inside its hollow. Super glue it as an imperfection and you're all set. You can rub the stick with a simple paper towel or a plastic bag now. It will spread out better the wet super glue and it will dry it out instantly. I did these steps for all of my available sticks. My crafting material is ready for bow measurements.